Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a super streamlined process for batch creating an entire month's worth of Instagram content using Canva. If you ever find yourself scrambling at the last minute to make a post, or you want to free up more time and still keep your feed looking fresh and consistent, this tutorial is definitely for you. By the end, you'll know how to turn one smart setup into 30 polished posts in just a few steps, so let's get right into it. First things first, head over to Canva. If you've never used Canva before, it's an amazing online design tool that's beginner-friendly but powerful enough for even professional social media managers. Once you're logged in, look for the Create a Design button, usually right at the top of the homepage. Go ahead and click it. From the drop-down, select Instagram Post. This ensures your design will have the perfect dimensions for Instagram's square format, saving you any headaches about cropping or resizing later on. Next, you'll see a blank canvas, or you can choose from thousands of ready-made templates. I recommend starting with a template that matches your brand's style or the vibe you want for the month. For example, maybe you want to use something bright and cheerful for summer, or perhaps something minimal and clean. Don't worry about getting it perfect right now. The key is to pick a template that'll look good across multiple posts so your whole feed feels cohesive. Now it's time to personalize your design. Add your headline text, maybe it's a motivational quote, your product feature of the day, or something fun like a daily tip. Play around with the font and colors to match your brand, and don't forget to spice things up with effects. Canva lets you add drop shadows, outlines, or even glows to your text. This might seem like a small detail, but trust me, these touches help your posts pop on a crowded timeline. Here comes the magic: bulk creation. On the left-hand menu, find the Apps section and click on it. Scroll until you see Bulk Create. This is what's going to turn our single design into 30 or more all at once. But before you start, you'll need a CSV file. This is just a simple spreadsheet where each row contains the text for one post, like 30 different quotes, tips, or promo messages. If you have a list ready, fantastic. If not, just whip one up in Excel or Google Sheets, then download it as a CSV file. Click to upload your CSV in Canva. Once it's uploaded, hit Continue. Now click on the text element in your design and you'll see an option to connect data. This step links the text field in your post with each row from your spreadsheet, so Canva knows what to swap in for each image. Don't rush here, make sure you're connecting the right data to the right spot. When you're ready, proceed with Bulk Create. Canva will automatically generate a page for every row in your CSV, so if you uploaded 30 captions, you'll get 30 unique posts. This part can take a minute or two, so grab a sip of water and let Canva do the heavy lifting. Once that's done, go to your project. The set of generated pages will be waiting for you. Click on those pages to double-check that everything looks good. If you see something off, you can still tweak individual posts without starting over. Finally, select all the created pages and use Canva's handy Apply to All Pages feature if you want to update something across the board, like a background color or logo. And that's it. You've just batch created an entire month of Instagram content in a fraction of the time it usually takes. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more Canva tips. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy posting.